Hey guys, I just wanted to come into the repo today. They are still working in here. It was just delivered and put together. Just wanted to show you the upgrades that are in this home. For instance, the light fixtures. They also are redoing the floor, as you can see here. The vents are in the ceiling. So they did a lot of upgrades in here. They're working on the upgrades in here, unfortunately, when the home got repoed. You have an upgraded farm sink with faucet, and this actually pulls out right here. It's a pretty neat faucet. It's Whirlpool appliances. The only appliance that you need will be the refrigerator. Again, bear with us on how dirty it is, pretty much. It's not dirty, it is things we kind of moved around as we were shipping it, but check out this bathroom. So they were redoing it. This is actually, it's a quartz countertop. This house is for $65,000. Can't beat that. They also put 2-inch blinds in here. That's what these are. Nice open floor plan. You have new carpet in here. And then I'm going to take you inside the master. They're redoing the shower. And look at this, great picking. But y'all, this is quartz countertop here, so that's a solid rock. Looks great. And then they're redoing the shower area. Looks like they're probably gonna go back in and tile it out. And they already did it to the tub. So, great house. This house is for $65,000. If you were going to order this house now, it would run probably in the 90s, $99,900, I think is what this house is running. We actually built this home. It's by Fleetwood. It's a 28 by, I think it's 44. Nice open floor plan concept. It has the upgraded cabinets in it. It's here on our lot. It's first come, first serve. It's whoever gets to the finish line with the repos. That's just how 21st Mortgage does it. But tons of upgrades again, has a dishwasher, Whirlpool appliances, upgraded light fixtures, vents in the ceiling. Great buy. Give us a call, 281-592-8600, or just stop on by and we'll show you the home.